Okay, this is called a circular saw, my friends, and I see a lot of people giving bad advice. While I'm trying to cut, my guard doesn't want to go up. Well, just grab and hold the guard up, okay? Just hold it up. Yeah, you don't need to do that. If your guard is not going up when you're cutting through your material, then your blade is too deep. What you do is you set your depth of your saw blade so it's just breaking through. You lock it in and cut. No problem. Oh, well, I gotta make a plunge cut. Well, just hold the guard up with your hand. No, okay, I want you to watch this. I'm gonna do this with my wrong hand here. I find my line. See, look at that. I take it like that on my line, and I plunge. Done. I'm not touching this handle at all. I've had people say, put a pencil in there, put an elastic band in there. No. Learn how to use your tool properly, and you don't have to do stuff like that. That guard's there for a reason. Even though this saw has a brake, there's a chance that that brake could fail, or in the split second that it kicks back, it can actually still cut you and make contact. But by setting your depth of your blade to your material properly, your guard will automatically go up. And when you're doing plunge cuts, walk it in and go down. Really simple things. Don't ever jam this thing up with a pencil or put an elastic band on it, no matter what saw you are. Professionals that do that, well, you don't need to do that. Like, even cutting posts and stuff like that, coming up to a post, I can set my guard. Look at that. I can push my guard out of the way without having to touch this handle. It's called knowing how to use your tool properly. Even cutting on the ceiling, keep cutting upside down. I don't ever have to touch this little lever and hold the guard up ever. The only time I use that is when I'm changing the blade, when I'm clearing debris out of it. But it's really that simple. You don't ever have to hold your guard up. There's no excuse. Learn how to use the tool properly. Learn how to use it right. Like, work safe, work smart.